Hidden beneath endless mountains lies a forgotten giant, waiting for another chance. The frozen wilderness slowly reveals a mysterious secret hidden deep below forever.
Years of silence have buried this magnificent aircraft beneath snow and forgotten history.
Every frozen surface tells a remarkable story of survival against nature's relentless power. Today begins the impossible journey to restore this forgotten mountain giant completely. The restoration team prepares every detail before rebuilding this frozen aircraft.
Layers of frozen snow slowly disappear, revealing the aircraft beneath decades of winter.
Frozen engines require careful attention before the aircraft can return to life again. Decades of dirt slowly wash away, exposing the aircraft's forgotten original structure. Engineers finally inspect the hidden damage beneath years of harsh mountain weather. The damaged outer shell is carefully removed to reveal the aircraft's hidden structure.
Inside the aircraft, engineers rebuild the strength lost through years of exposure.
Every repaired joint brings this frozen aircraft closer to a second life.
New aircraft panels slowly replace the damaged surfaces while preserving its original identity.
The forgotten cabin begins its transformation from frozen ruins into a future home.
The empty cabin is prepared carefully for a completely new architectural future. Stronger foundations are created before this aircraft becomes a mountain residence. Engineers carefully design new openings for breathtaking mountain views. A new vision begins as the aircraft opens toward the surrounding mountains.
The first glass structure connects this aircraft with the endless mountain landscape.
The first window becomes a vision of a home surrounded by mountains. Massive glass panels now open the frozen world beyond the aircraft walls.
Behind the new walls, advanced systems protect the home from extreme cold.
A stronger interior foundation prepares the aircraft for its luxurious future.
The forgotten aircraft slowly transforms into a unique glass mountain residence.
More glass panels connect the aircraft interior with the endless mountain landscape.
Hidden electrical networks bring modern comfort into this mountain aircraft home.
Advanced heating technology protects this glass home from the freezing wilderness.
The aircraft cabin begins taking shape as new living spaces are carefully designed. The frozen aircraft is becoming a glass mountain mansion before our eyes. Inside the aircraft, empty space slowly becomes carefully designed living areas.
A custom staircase connects the aircraft levels into one mountain retreat.
The future kitchen begins forming inside this once-forgotten aircraft cabin.
A peaceful mountain bedroom takes shape within the aircraft's curved structure.
Modern private spaces emerge as the aircraft transforms into a mountain residence. Natural timber transforms the aircraft into a warm, alpine living environment.
Every wooden plank brings warmth into this extraordinary mountain aircraft home.
A handcrafted fireplace becomes the warm heart of the mountain retreat.
The aircraft ceiling evolves into elegant architecture, filled with warm, hidden light.
Luxury finally begins to emerge, while the aircraft keeps its original identity.
Custom furniture finally transforms the cabin into a welcoming mountain home.
The kitchen becomes a functional centerpiece, overlooking endless frozen mountain scenery.
The peaceful bedroom now welcomes breathtaking sunrise views above the snowy valley. A luxurious spa sanctuary replaces what was once a frozen aircraft interior. The final outdoor space connects luxury living directly with untouched mountain wilderness. Nature and architecture finally exist together in perfect mountain harmony. Nature and architecture finally exist together in perfect mountain harmony. Every interior space now combines aviation history with timeless mountain luxury.
A forgotten aircraft has become one of the world's most extraordinary mountain homes.
As night arrives, the mountain mansion begins an entirely new chapter. Morning light reveals a masterpiece, reborn from decades beneath snow and silence. Every detail reflects timeless craftsmanship, surrounded by breathtaking alpine scenery.
A modern kitchen now overlooks one of nature's most spectacular winter landscapes.
Each sunrise offers unforgettable views from this extraordinary mountain sanctuary. Warmth and tranquility replace the frozen silence that once filled this aircraft. Every step outside reveals endless mountains surrounding this remarkable aircraft residence. As daylight fades, warm light transforms the mountain home into a glowing sanctuary. Nightfall reveals the aircraft shining like a hidden jewel among frozen mountains. From above, the mountain valley embraces an unforgettable architectural transformation forever.